No, students do not evaluate teacher performance, but they can, email the principal if they have any complaints. Yeah, they don't evaluate. So the ones that's evaluating you, that's your assistant principal. That's they're called assessing admin. So they're the ones giving you the grades year after year. So how many class observations needs to be done? Okay, so again, the rules on that depends per state and per district. So I'll tell you about our district. If you are a new teacher, you will have to undergo 2 formal observations, okay, and then 4 informal observations. So what's the difference between the two? An informal observation is, when they would just pop into your class. They would not tell you, hey, I'll be observing you today in this period. No, that's an informal observation. They would just come in and then observe you, right? So you have to have 4 of that, 2 per semester, I'm sorry. And then the formal observation is one that, you choose, okay, you choose what period you will be observed, when, and what lesson, right? So, and you will talk about it too, because you will have to turn in your lesson plan before the day of observation, because the one observing your class would already want to know, how you plan to do the class, blah, blah, blah. Yep. And suppose you did not like your grade. For instance, you were observed yesterday and you did not like your grade because you sucked. You can request for an extra observation. You can do that. Okay, Landimar, I hope I answered your question. So yeah, and then the observation that's also online. If your AP is working fast, we will see your grade right away. If you want to know how to get a teaching job in the US on a visa without a placement fee, follow my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also have a book and coaching. The details are in the comment section or description if you are interested.